Hello and welcome to your new adventure learning in 3D. We'll be using an OpenSim 3D world called Kitely as our virtual training platform. To access this world, you'll need to download and install a viewer which allows you to connect to this platform without any additional downloads. In the document you received, Instructions for Using an Avatar, find the section on the Firestorm viewer. Click the link for downloading Firestorm, then select your operating system. I'm using Windows, so that takes me to the options available for Windows users. Look for the listings for OpenSim. We recommend using the 64-bit download if your computer is able to run 64-bit. Once the download is complete, install it per your browser's process. After Firestorm has installed, look for its icon and double-click it to launch the viewer. The first time the viewer comes up, you'll need to select the grid or 3D platform you want to use. Click the down arrow and select Kitely. This will bring up the Kitely login page. Put in your username and password, and make sure the viewer is set to log in at the last location, then click the login button. Kitely's 3D worlds are only activated when someone is in them, so sometimes you may find your avatar standing in the Kitely transfer station, where it will stay for a brief period while the virtual training platform is loaded. Then your avatar will be teleported to our training location in Kitely.